Alright, so we came to a trashed apartment. You can see guests left trash, wet toilet paper, very destroyed property. Very messy. Yeah, bags of trash everywhere. So Sho is picking up the trash. So you can see. So usually we can send special messages to guests. And also we can put special trash guides in. And look, smoking is not allowed in our properties, and there's smoking outside. So the first goal is just to collect any and all trash and get it out of your room. And then the second goal is to move towards the bathroom. And we clean like before, where we use our toilet bowl cleaner. And we can see just everything. We'll move dishes to the kitchen sink. And centralize all dishes. And centralize all your trash. Any dirty dishes, like this cutting board looks bad, I would throw this away. So this is trash. We'll try to clean it, but we'll probably have to throw it away and report to buy a new cutting board. So we know that's really bad. We look for anything else they might have done. Since this is so bad, I'm going to remove everything out of the bathroom, including the shampoo bottles, and we'll wash those with everything else at the same time. This saves a lot of time. So I like to rinse off all bottles. So everything in the sink is a little easier to focus. We come in here, and definitely we want to completely empty the bathroom of everything. This makes life much easier. This is, again, they got it very wet, so it's probably trash. Unless you can find a use for it. Again, these, you can wash these, so we put those in the sink. And you can see everything is very, very dirty. They removed the drain covers, so all rooms should have drain covers, because the hair will go in and clog up the drains. So I'm going to grab some drain covers really quick. So these are the type of drain covers that you need. So you put these drain covers on and they catch the hair, so then the drains don't get clogged. And we're going to go ahead and do like we did before with this property. And we're going to use the toilet bowl cleaner. And we're going to swipe it along, just like cleaning a toilet. Go ahead and lift this up along the top, down, around the edges, under. Also in the front, around here. So all around in here. Of course, again, we start at the top and we press it down as best you can. There's some stuff here, so we go ahead and squirt that there. We go around the edge of the bathtub. First start at the top, then go middle, then go bottom. Again, sink around the edges. Also here you can see there's a lot of rust and dirt. Go ahead and put that bleach in there, just let it set. It'll be fine, it'll do its job. And now we run the water. We'll gently use the hand brush, and we'll gently get a little water and hand brush it, and we leave it sit for about 20 minutes.